Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save voice messages from Messenger to your computer. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up facebook.com/messages, alright, on your computer browser. And once you're in here, just go ahead and find the chat where the voice chat is located. Alright, so what you'll do is just right click on the voice chat and click on inspect, like so. And then once done, go ahead over to dimensions right here. Click on it and click on edit. Alright, in here just go ahead and click on add custom device. Add in a device name, for example, desktop. Alright, dimensions right here, just leave it. Now go ahead and select desktop right here and just click on add. Alright, once done, it is enabled now, just close this one. And then once done, select dimensions right here and select desktop. Alright, and then once that's done, go ahead over to network right here at the top right. And make sure that you're under media. Now you can go ahead and hit on play right here. If it doesn't show a file in here, don't worry, you can just go ahead and restart the messenger at this section. And as you can see, we have the blob file right here. Type is media. So what you'll do is just double click on it. And here we have the voice message. Click on three dots and just hit on download. There you have it. Open up the folder. And here we have the downloaded voice message. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.